facing the wilderness requires reliable tools to handle diverse outdoor tasks effectively. Introducing the Wayland Survival Tracker Knife, a robust and versatile fixed-blade knife designed for bushcraft, camping, and survival needs. Featuring a 5mm thick full-tang blade, it offers exceptional strength and durability for chopping, carving, and cutting tasks. The premium G10 handle grip ensures a secure hold even in wet or challenging conditions, enhancing its functionality in outdoor scenarios. This Tom Brown tracker knife is equipped with a leather belt holster, allowing easy horizontal draw carry, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Built for hunters, adventurers, and survival enthusiasts, this knife is a reliable companion for demanding environments, combining durability and performance in a design that outshines other fixed-blade options. In emergencies, having compact, organized, and accessible medical supplies is critical for quick and effective treatment. Introducing the Helicon Tech's medical line, Mini Med Kit, a compact, versatile solution for carrying essential medical gear. It is designed to be duty belt, PALS, and MOLLE compatible, ensuring easy attachment to your gear. The kit features YKK zippers for durability and easy access. Inside, 2 mesh pockets help organize medical supplies, while the external Velcro panel allows for customization or identification with a reflective paramedic cross. It also includes a lanyard loop for added convenience. Made from polyester 80D, this medkit is built to withstand tough conditions and is ideal for first responders, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing quick access to medical tools.
A reliable, compact, and durable tool is essential for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Introducing the AUG2 Folding Survival Shovel, designed for versatility and convenience, making it an essential companion for camping, hiking, gardening, and off-road adventures. With a full length of 18.1 inches and a 4.7-inch blade width, this lightweight 25-ounce shovel offers optimal performance without weighing you down. Constructed from high-carbon steel, the shovel features a heat-treated, rust-resistant, and anti-deformation blade with sawtooth edges, ideal for digging, sawing, and chopping tasks. Its triangular large handle ensures a firm grip and reduces hand fatigue, while the 3-fold design allows for easy folding at either a straight or 90-degree angle, making it compact for storage. The heavy-duty nylon carrying case with sponge lining offers added protection with the convenience of attaching it to your belt or backpack. Whether for camping, emergencies, or outdoor survival, this tool is a must-have for any adventurer.
Having reliable, adaptable lighting is essential for both daily tasks and outdoor adventures. Meet the Woobin Keychain Flashlight, a compact and innovative EDC lighting solution designed to meet diverse needs with its 10 lighting modes and impressive functionality. Equipped with a 180-degree rotating head, this flashlight allows precise beam direction, while its magnetic base offers hands-free operation. It features a light diffuser, transforming it into a camping lantern or tent light in seconds. Lightweight and portable, the flashlight includes an innovative charging lanyard and a wireless charging box for effortless power management. The flashlight also doubles as a power bank, capable of charging other devices via Type-C connectivity. With a 670-nanometer red light to preserve night vision and waterproof durability, it's the ultimate choice for camping, outdoor activities, or everyday carry. When durability, functionality, and comfort are essential in outdoor or work environments, a versatile pair of tactical pants is a must-have. The BTL UYOAPE Cargo Tactical Pants are designed for ultimate performance in demanding conditions. Made with water-resistant ripstop fabric, these pants offer lightweight durability, perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or work in construction. They feature multiple pockets for secure storage, including special compartments for tools or gear. The pants come with knee pad inserts for added protection and comfort during intensive tasks. The high-stretch material allows for flexibility, ensuring ease of movement. These versatile multifunctional cargo pants are ideal for work or outdoor adventures, providing a durable and comfortable solution for any rugged task.
Having a compact and versatile tool on hand is essential for tackling unexpected tasks and emergencies with ease. The Hinshark Stocking Stuffer Hammer Multi-Tool combines 12 essential functions into a compact design, making it a practical and thoughtful gift for men who value utility and preparedness. This multi-tool includes a mini hammer, nail clippers, pliers, wire cutters, sharp and serrated knives, a saw, file, flathead, Phillips screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and a security lock. Built for versatility, it can handle tasks like cutting, prying, hammering nails, and even breaking glass in emergencies. Designed with portability in mind, it stands at just 5 inches tall and features lightweight yet sturdy stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and comfort during use. A portable nylon pouch adds to its convenience, making it easy to carry during camping trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday tasks. This multi-tool is an excellent gift for dads, husbands, or any handyman who appreciates functionality in a sleek package.
For those who value preparedness and versatility, having a single jacket that adapts to all conditions is indispensable. The Oros Gemini Modular Jacket is engineered to deliver superior warmth, waterproofing, and adaptability using technology originally developed by NASA. This advanced jacket is designed to maximize your minimalist wardrobe, functioning as the only outerwear you need for diverse environments. The modular design allows it to quickly transition between layers, offering customizable protection for varying weather conditions. With an emphasis on durability and performance, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, urban commutes, or travel. The Gemini's lightweight build ensures comfort without compromising insulation, while its waterproof exterior keeps you dry in any climate. Whether facing rain, snow, or wind, this jacket provides ultimate functionality for those who demand both style and practicality.